Today we're going to be talking about human influences on the environment, and that is from 4.11 to 4.17. First of all, the biological consequences of CO2. Carbon dioxide is a gas that is mainly caused by vehicle pollution, and this gas is very harmful to us. Nowadays, in vehicles, there are catalytic converters that make the carbon dioxide into carbon dioxide, which is less harmful for us than the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is very dangerous because it can form a stable compound with hemoglobin called carboxyhemoglobin, which prevents the hemoglobin from carrying the oxygen around the body, which results in fewer oxygen available for cell respiration, and this results in less energy being released. Now let's look at the biological consequences of sulfur dioxide, which is caused by burning of fossil fuels. We can cause acid rain, and when sulfur dioxide mixes with rain clouds, dilute sulfuric acid is formed, which is formed as acid rain. This can harm fish, trees, and make the ocean become more acidic, which can become lethal to aquatic life. The greenhouse gases are water vapor, nitrous oxide, methane, and CFCs. Humans contribute to greenhouse gases by driving cars, industrial process, and cutting down trees. Humans contribute to methane by growing rice and rearing cattle. Humans contribute to nitrous acids by fertilizers, vehicle engines, and industrial engines, and all CFCs are man-made. How greenhouse gases contribute to the enhanced greenhouse effect, how this could lead to global warming and its consequences. Heat from the sun is naturally radiated of the Earth into space. Greenhouse gases naturally keep some of the heat. Increasing the amount of greenhouse gases and blocking the heat from escaping heats up the Earth, which is known as global warming. This means that average temperatures have increased. Biological consequences of pollution of water by sewage, including increases in the number of microorganisms causing depletion in oxygen. Sewage has nutrients which allow fluids to flourish and take up sunlight and oxygen. Many fish die. Eutrophication is where there are excess amount of nutrients in a lake. Effects of this are that algae will grow quickly, and having a lot of algae mean that there's not enough oxygen for other organisms. They also struggle to find enough light as algae covers the surface. More organisms will die than usual, and this has a knock-on effect, which results in fish not having enough oxygen. Nutrients get leached into the river from soil as rainwater runs off land into rivers and lakes, taking nutrients with it. If fertilizer has been used, then the soil will be rich in certain nutrients, so rainwater runs off the fertilized soil and it will bring a high amount of nutrient into surrounding rivers or lakes, causing eutrophication. Now let's look at the effects of deforestation. Leaching. Trees leach nutrients when they are alive, but return nutrients to the soil when they die. When trees are cut down, nutrients get leached but will not return, making the soil infertile. Soil erosion is where trees are removed. Soil can be washed away by the rain as roots hold the soil together. Disturbance of the water cycle is when trees take water when they are cut. The water runs into rivers, which causes flooding. When trees die, carbon dioxide is naturally released. When they are burnt, all carbon dioxide is released at once. If wood was in furniture, carbon is stored and released later, which disrupts the carbon cycle. Thank you.